go one time. Let's go one time. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, good God Almighty, so precious and holy. The things you do for me, I cannot tell it all. No, 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 no words to describe it. Your greatness and mercy, so amazing, so amazing. Wow, you did blow my mind. Give me joy I can't describe. More than a feeling, more than a feeling. No, no, no. You did blow my mind. Me I no delay. I'm giving the moves to the rhythm. I love the way that you love me. You, God, you ain't done they blow my mind. Love the feeling all the time. Show me love I don't deserve. Oh, now you, yeah, you ain't done they blow my mind. Love the feeling all the time. Show me love I don't deserve. You call me your favorite baby. Before mama call me your name. That's why you're blessing me daily. I know I'm your favorite baby. Yo. Cause you favorite baby, yo. Jiggy, man, this shot for me, die. I sing Baba fry, set down John, beloved. All of my days you are shown, beloved. Yeah. Tell my love far away me. Skip on me company. You won't wait there for me. When people condemn me, yeah, the coco. And me my polongo till these people don't know. Like Sarin Popo, Shina, you, God, you ain't done they blow my mind. Love the feeling all the time. Don't show me love I don't deserve. Oh, now you, yeah, you ain't done they blow my mind. Love the feeling all the time. Show me love I don't deserve. You call me your favorite baby. Before mama call me your name. That's why you're blessing me daily. I know I'm your favorite baby.
Mix Wonders Magic.
The way you love me, oh so patiently. No one above me is what you just say to me. I have searched around, found nobody else to crown. For you alone deserve my praise, every night and every day. One by one they come my blessings, through all the trials and testings. So much grace you've shown me in my testimony. To give us and me, to show your love.
lost my kiss. Trying to let it all go, so I can freely follow. I know that I should cast my cares on you. Sometimes it's hard to let go. So I'll trust in your word for me, 'cause I know in you I am complete. Whatever it is, whatever may be, I know you'll never leave me. So I let go, let go. So I let go, let go. No more about no, let go, let go. So I let go, let go, let go. Come to you withholding nothing. With my hands up high, I'm singing your praises. I've left all that behind, I'm following you high. There's no going back down, I'm holding on you tight. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can take me away from you. So I let go, let go. So I let go, let go. No more about no, let go, let go. So I let go, let go. Let it take control. No more struggle.
Oh yeah. I know you gave your life for me, yeah, yeah. The greatest sacrifice for me, yeah, yeah. Oh, Lord, you never wanted for us to be apart, no. So you brought me back to your heart, and this is my reality, yeah, yeah. And this how it was meant to be, yeah, yeah. And I pray, whatever the weather, I'll stay right here with you. The trials may come and go, but I'm never leaving. You've put a joy inside my soul, and I'll keep believing. You did it before, you do it again, yeah. And it's one thing that I know, you did it before, you did it again, yeah. And it's one thing that I know.
1,000 songs, or even 1,000,000, but it wouldn't be enough to describe the love you have for us. Oh yeah, you laid your life, you paid the price so that I can have eternal life. Oh yes, no greater love than this, oh no. No greater love than this, oh no.
The trials may come and go,
but I'll keep.
You've put a joy inside my
That's
soul.
why I say,
You did it before, you do it again.
it's one thing
What's up, chat? Good morning. Good morning. What's up? How you guys doing?
First
Happy
time,
Monday, everybody.
we've got you. Grand
Drop
deals,
some
services,
energies in the
fashion,
chat.
and now half off. Use code HOPE50 for 50% off your first order.
Drop the energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. I want to see some energies in the chat.
I don't need to search all around, 'cause in you I have everything I'll ever need. In you I live and move and have my being. You are everything I need you to be. Tell me who coming closer to my most high Jehovah. He's the one, the rock I rely on. He's the one, the rock my salvation. Ain't nobody coming closer to my most high Jehovah. He's the one, the rock I rely on. He's the one, the rock my salvation. It don't matter what may come my way, I'll keep your fire burning in my soul. I'll keep my I stayed on you, keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause I know you are in control. You're my firm foundation. You're my all in all. I need a hand in you. I step up on the rhythm like a king ponder. From the top to the very last, I move with the wings of the spirit. From the top, I be going non-stop. Everything I do is for you. See, my life is for your glory, just you. That's why you beautify me, find me. With love all around me, around me. It don't matter what may come my way, I'll keep your fire burning in my soul. I'll keep my eyes stayed on you, keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause I know you are in control. You're my firm foundation. You're my all in all. And everything I need I have in you, in you. You're my firm foundation. You're my all in all. And everything I need I have in you, in you. Sit up on the rhythm like a, sit up on the rhythm like a. Emerging from the top to the very last drop, yeah. I sit up on the rhythm like a.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, 'cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, 'cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still I'd be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big
All right, Chad, what's up? What's up? Happy Monday, everybody. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Shout out to 13 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Happy Monday, everybody. What's up? What's up? What is up? All right. All right. All right. Damn, gold is goldying again. Gold is goldying. All right. Let me do the top down here. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wicks. 8 candles are pushing up. Holy. Damn. Can you look at that? Can you look at that? 6,000 pip. Monthly is bullish. Okay, so let's start with the monthly time frame, right? So the monthly time frame, I'd say we have support here that create and structure, as you can see. And right now I'd say resistance, probably this is the resistance before, right? And as you can see right now, we're just pushing up towards to the upside here. Right now there's no closure, there's no bearish closure on price on the monthly. So for me, there's no resistance. But if you're gonna drop down to the lower time frame, we're gonna see some resistance there, like per hour, 1 hour, daily. But I'd say here is no bottom wick, here is no top wick, here is no bottom wick, here is no top wick, right? And we still have 25 days and 14 hours for this candle to close. And I'd say there's a lot of volume. We might see some 4,000 minimum this week. I'd say minimum this week. If we have, do we have news? Or we don't have news, right? We don't have news today. Tomorrow we don't have news too. So, but the price still moving up, right? The price still moving up. Let's drop down to the weekly time frame. As you can see, the weekly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles are moving out, moving up, right? And the resistance is here before, and then we have support. And as you can see, man, moving up here crazy, right? That's the weekly. As you can see here on price, there's no bottom wick, no bottom wick, no bottom wick, bottom wick, no bottom wick, no bottom wick. All right, so we always gonna look for some corrections of this move, because I would say if you wanna move up, like we need some retracement like this. We need some structure to be formed and then moving up. Like we need to create a higher lows and higher highs, enable for this price to move up even further, right? So that's the weekly for me. We need to wait for retracement, but I don't know when, right? Because the weekly open up, make a low, and then push up here. How many pip? We move on today, 617 pip only today, right? As you can see, if we're gonna drop down to the daily time frame, yeah, it's the same, 600 pip. So we have support here, levels. We don't have resistance yet. We have support here too, right? I would say we have a bearish closure here, and last Friday I'm expecting that this candle needs to move down, right? This one, because we have bearish, but it didn't happen. That's fine, and we know that we're gonna head it to the upside. There's a lot of volume pushing up towards to the upside. This is the daily, as you can see. I'd say structure like this, closing above this range. Yeah, gonna continue up. So yeah, let's drop down to the 4 hour here. 4 hour, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles are moving up. So structure here, as you can see, resistance, right? I'd say support is down here. We have a clean traffic going down, this one. But yeah, we still have 1 hour and 13 minutes for this candle to close. The previous 4 hour has no top wick closure, no bottom wick too. Right? We have exhaustion wick. I'd say we have a bullish candle, but small body. But the price still moving up. What time is this candle move? 5 a.m. So Asian session. So yeah, making sense. Asian sessions, they're pushing the price up. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. So the 1 hour has a rejection here. 30 minutes, let's see. Okay, so we have some structure here. So I'd say we have support here and the resistance up here. So 30, how many pip range? We have 100 pip range going up and going down. Yeah. Damn. How many pip? 60 pip. But it's really risky to take a sell if it cannot close below here. Probably I'm gonna use the 15. Yeah, 15 minutes time frame looks good. How many pip range? 190 pip range. Because right now, as you can see here, gang, if I'm gonna mark this as my support, resistance, I'm gonna mark this as my resistance, okay? So the support for me is probably down here because we have clean traffic going down. We have 180 pip clean traffic going down. It's in the 15. As you can see, it's choppy here. Support, 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 and then support. There's too many support, right? If we want to take a sell. But yeah, let's see. We need to wait for candles to close and clean range going down. But in the 30, yeah, in the 30, probably, yeah, down here. Like if the candle closed below here, it's really clean going down. One candle close probably below. Yep. And then the next candle should move down. So yeah. Yeah, that's the top down today. Let's see here. We're still bullish on price, but we need to wait for retracement to form, enable for us to take buys here. As you can see, the 4 hour really struggling to move down here, right? How many pip we move on this 4 hour candle? 230 pip move. So as you can see, the 4 hour is really struggling to move down. We still heavy bullish on price here. We cannot do anything here. I cannot take sales here too, right? We need to tap this area to first 3920 before taking sell. I need to see this kind of, you know, and then selling here once you tap the resistance once again. And as you can see, didn't tap. You should tap here 30 minutes minimum. 15, yeah, you need to tap this zone, otherwise it's gonna push up. So yeah, but we move a lot already. We move 600 pip already on the daily time frame. We move 600 pip. It's really risky to take buys here too, because the price move up. If we want to take buys, probably here to move up, or down here to move up, or below here to move up, right? Right now, man, the price moving up. I don't have any FOMO, no nothing. I'm just waiting. All right, so chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Shout out to 29 viewers right now. How you guys doing? How's everybody's doing? How's your trading last week, chat? How's your trading last week? It's Friday, Thursday move. Great. What about you? This is Escape from Kuwait. Oh, shout out from Kuwait. Khalid, how you doing? Yeah, last week, I made some profit last week. That would be nice. Last week, October. I made how many pips? 99 pips last week. So yeah. It's a good week for me last week. Actually start on 29, right? Yeah, we start on 29 here. So this one. 176 pip last week. That would be nice. And start of October, really good. October 1, start really amazing on the month. So yeah, let's see. All right, 1 hour pushing up here. 7 minutes for candle to close. 30 minutes, we're heading to the resistance area, as you can see. 15 minutes. Damn. Gold is golding, man. 600 pip move today. Holy. 600 pip move. Too many sellers has been clapped once again. Too many sellers are clapped on the Asian session. Damn. Chat, make sure you drop some likes and subscribe to the channel, all right? Drop some likes, subs to the channel. Shout out to 34 viewers right now. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Right now, we're going to wait. We're going to wait for some structure to be formed. I'm going to look for 15 and 30 today for the entry. Because, 30 minutes is, we have some levels here that we need to be aware of. These levels. So, we have support here. We cannot take sell right now. And 15, as you can see, a little bit choppy going down here. Support has been formed there. You have support 2, support, and then the support. Probably for me, gonna be clean traffic once the candles move down. Like we made some structure. Let's say like this, or this kind of closure on price, and the next candle should move down. Retest this low. Right now, the volume is going up. Right? But it's really risky to take buys. Really risky. Because the daily move already, 600 pip. We might see either consolidation ranging here on this price, 3940 to 3922. Yep. Let's see if we're gonna have some volume on London session. Today has no news. CNY Bank holiday. Yeah, no news today. So yeah. Shout out 34 viewers. How you guys doing? Make sure you drop some likes, subs to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. All right, pushing up. Pushing up. What is the price of BTC all-time high? Yeah, BTC is on the all-time high. All-time high again. Crazy move. Damn. Support, yeah. 108. Damn. All pair is on the all-time high. US pair. NAS 100, US 30, BTC, gold, Ethereum. Damn. Mm-hmm. One minute, 30 seconds for candle to close. Closing above the range. Yeah, we might see some push. We might see 3950. 3950. One minute for candle to close. 3950 is the next all-time high. If we close above. But I'm not gonna take buys there. No buys yet. No buys yet. Who got some buys here, chat, in the morning? Asian session. Who got some buys? Let me know. Drop it in the chat. Wow, nice. W. You got the buys there, gang. W. What's up, Reese? How you doing? Reese. All right, close above the range. Yeah, we might see some push. If you guys still holding the buys there, W, we might see 3950 on this volume. $5 increment. No bottom wick. Be careful for buying here. But nice closure in the one here. Nice closure in the one. Damn. 4 hours still pushing up. Holy. If this candle tapped this area, right, that was really nice. Taking sell here. But I didn't tap, so it's invalid. You should tap this first. Then the candle should move like this and then tap this. Yep. All right, can we see 3950? 3950. That's the next all-time high. There you go. Top 49 was the next 50. Or you might see some 3952, 3955. No FOMO, gang, alright? No FOMO. If you guys are having a FOMO, that means you're not following your rules. So make sure you set your plan every single day. And we hop onto the chart, the price is moving up. So this is now our position. Our position should be at the bottom here, right? Or here. But here, no, that's not my position. So yeah, 3950 top here, chat, as you can see, right? We are witnessing all-time high. Holy, the price is moving up crazy. Volume, we have a lot of volume, but no high probability setup for me. This one is not high probability for me, so I need to wait for high probability setup. Damn, Goldie. Damn, Goldie. Why no bottom wick? Because there is a lot of volume. That's why no bottom wick. The candles open up, didn't create a bottom wick. That means this candle has a lot of volume. But there is a high chance that this candle can flip bearish to create a bottom wick. Right? Or might probably close back in the range. Holy smokes, Goldie. All-time high pace again. Yeah, we might see minimum 4K this week, or yeah, minimum this month 4K on gold. Right? In this kind of price actions, as you can see, the price is just moving up towards to the upside, and there is a lot of volume. We might see 4K minimum this month. Let's see if we're gonna top this week or probably next week, because the gold, wants to move only to the top side. No corrections yet. No corrections here. On the daily has no corrections, because if you want to see some corrections, you might see bearish volume like this to move up once again. Right now, as you can see, just rallying towards to the upside. Damn. We range here on price. Yeah, April. Starting of April, we're just ranging here. And the breakout, damn. 5,000 pip, 3442. 5,000 pip. Can you look at that? Chat, make sure you like the stream here, all right? Like the stream, subs to the channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me. The link is in description below for more trading content. All right. The 15 top, 3950 on the dot. $5 increment. That was, massive move from the 4-hour candle bottom wick. Damn. That's why if we want to take sales, we need to wait for structure to be formed, right? We need to wait for candle to close, structure probably like this kind of, candle. And then once candle move, yeah, this is the sell on the next 15 minutes candle. Structure should be formed first, or kind of this scenario, and then candle move down, enter here like this. Yeah, sell right now, it's not really really good. Buying is not really good too. Probably it's all waiting time. Today is probably all waiting time. If we don't have any trades today, I might look for NY. If the price still moving up on the NY, I might call it a day. Call it a day. If the price still moving up on NY. Because there's no news today, okay? No news today. And we move 650 pips on the daily. Okay, NY is a lot of volume, but I don't think that we can flip bearish on this day. On the NY, I don't think. We might see this candle close bullish, right? For buys, I want to take buys probably here. Oh, sorry. Probably this here. This is good for buying area 3920 to move up, or below here. It's good. 3897, 38900. Yeah, that's really good buys. $50 about to close. We don't have resistance to the left, so I don't want to take sells here right now, because we don't have any data on the left. That was really risky to take sells. If we have resistance here like this, and then the candles are still rejecting, yeah, we might take some sells, but no rejections. We are in the all-time high. No resistance form yet, so it's all about waiting. Today is all about waiting. Price moving up. So if you have any questions, gang, drop it in the chat. Like the stream, subs to the channel. Shout out 37 viewers. Can I see 20 likes in the stream here, gang? Like the stream. I want to see like in the stream. 20 likes in the stream. That would be appreciated. 20 like in the stream. Watching from Romania, shout out to you. Thank you so much. Make sure you drop some likes, subs to the channel. That would be appreciated. $15 minutes candle close. Okay. 30 minutes. No bottom wick still. Nothing. Nothing today. If you're gonna hop onto the other, streamer, they gonna say the same thing. They're gonna wait for retracement, pullback, corrections. But I would say it's not happening, man. Corrections, I believe we might see no correction. We just gold wanna push up, can push up. So yeah, let's see. But if you got the trades in the morning on Asian session, if you got the buys there, man, congratulations. You're up. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. You can drop in the chat. Five minutes for candle to close. Damn. Weak bearish. Oh, that's the bottom wick on the 30. That's the bottom wick. 1 hour bottom wick too. Damn, top 3950 reacted. Didn't re-break the high, so yeah. No sell for me yet. So should re-break the high first. Taking sell down. Two minutes for candle to close. So right now, what's your plan, gang? You gonna take sells on the next candle or what? So for me, chat, no sells yet. Okay, no sells, no buys. So waiting here, waiting. Waiting with me. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. 30 minutes about to close. We have the bottom wick. 1 hour. Yeah, we still have 30 minutes for the 1 hour. 30 minutes about to close. We got the bottom wick here. We have some wick fill too. Let's see. Close above the range. About 15. Close bearish. Damn, price action. Pushing up. Just pushing up. Re-break the previous candle low on the 30. We did the top wick here. Top wick. Dun. 60 pip. A 9 minutes for candle to close. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat while we're waiting for the setup here. $65 pip move. Ta-da-ta-da. Ta-da-ta-da. Shout out to 41 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Welcome to YouTube live stream. Make sure you drop some likes and subs to the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description for more trading content. All right, we're pushing down here. We have some retracement. That would be nice. What's up, Eric? How you doing? What you got today? What you got today? You got some buys today? What do you got? Waking up late today. Wow, nice. Got the buys there. Oh, nice. Yeah, swing, huh? You got some swing there. W. Crazy Asian pump. Yeah, true that. Yeah, Asian sessions always, pushing the price up nowadays. So Asian sessions on my time is 5 a.m., 4 a.m. So I don't want to take that. I don't want to do that Asian session. That's not my session. My session is London session and New York. But yeah, nowadays, starting I'd say last year, 2024, yeah, Asian sessions, there's a lot of volume during Asian session open. So you got the Friday sale. Yeah, I got the sales there. That was a nice setup. Ay, 71 pips, ay 52 pips. Yeah, I got some 52 pips. This is nice setup. I believe, yeah, I'd say all time high here, right? So I always wanna see structure like you re-break the high there and close bearish. So I enter on the re-break of the previous candle low, and it's NY open, NYSE 5:30 p.m. So a lot of volume there. So yeah, I'd say that was a nice trade. But on the chart right now, we don't see the re-break of the high there. That's why I don't want to enter a trade. So yeah, re-break of the high first should be valid like this. And top wick, re-break the lows. This is gonna be the enter. But right now, there's no re-break of the high. Oh, you got that too. Nice. Same entry. So wow, W. Same entries, yeah, W. And London session, yeah, we got some trades on the London too. So overall, I got last price 64 pip for me. Yeah, this is the one. It's a breakout back below the range. So yeah, 12 pips, only 12 pips on this trade. That should be fine. What else? Yeah, on Friday. Learn that on your stream, bro. Oh, thank you so much, man. Yeah, it's all about price actions. How you normally before when I was, taking trades on the onion, I always expecting the price to make a resistance like this, right? But the problem here is I'd say 50-50 probabilities, because enable for you to take, the high probability should be re-break the high. And before, I was taking the sell once the candle formed like this. So, and I understand that why I'm losing the trade, because of you need to wait for re-break of the hypers. This is gonna be look on the candles. So that's why I'm losing, because I'm not waiting for the candles to re-break the high. I'm happy on this kind of, scenario. That's why I always clap, I always lose the trade. The price, I am gonna enter on the flip of the candle, on the re-break of the low, and then the candle will look like this. Then stop hit. Then the price should move up. Yeah, same get clap Polarias. So yeah, that's why I analyze again why I'm taking some loss there, because of this kind of scenario. So that's why I learn a lot of things, that I need to wait for candles to re-break of the high. So this onion should be valid. It add more confirmations that I know it's gonna move down next 15 or 30 minutes candle. This should be nice setup, right? That's why I'm always look the same trade, the same opportunity every single day if I'm gonna took the onion. So yeah, 15 close back in the range. Oh, nice. We close back in the range. Doesn't low risk if it does high entries. Yeah, you can. I mean, if you got, because for me it's all about experience to the market, right? You need to collect the data, why this kind of setup is not working. So you need to collect that data. So yeah, that's why I always journal the trade so I can collect data, because if you don't journal your trade, you don't have probabilities to the market, you don't have data, right? You don't have probabilities, you're gambling your money. You're just gambling there, taking unnecessary things, unnecessary trades. So yeah, no edge at all. Yeah, no edge at all. Yeah. Let's see how this 30 minutes candle close, because we re-break the lows here. And the 15 creating some structure. Let's see. How many pip we have? 60 pip range. This is the first closure on the 30. Back in the range, 1 hour bearish closure. 4-hour bearish closure too. If we close below 3934. Two. 10 minutes for candle to close. 10 minutes. Before I would have been confused on what's happening right there, huh? Oh damn, 30 minutes scandal. React on the 3935. Crazy. Holy. Damn. Can you look at that? Can you look at that? Can you look at that? Shout out to 44 viewers right now. Chat, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel here. And if you have any questions, you can drop it in the chat. Oh, damn. Pushing up. Holy smokes. 5 minutes candle. Oh. Damn. Can you look at that? Gold is crazy today, gang. Gold is crazy. Man, after this session, bro, stay away on gold. Stay away on gold. If you guys are looking for sales, there's no sales yet. All right, there's no sales. You might see probably if you guys see this kind of price actions push down 3920, wait for support form. Yeah, you guys good for buys there. But right now in this kind of market condition, we cannot take sales on this kind of market conditions. Really risky. As you can see, the 5 minutes candle is just pushing up 111 pips. Holy smokes, Goldie. Holy Goldie. Gold is Goldieing today. Sellers club per yeah. They probably activated here on price on this kind of flip because the candles go back in the range. So this is gonna be the entry, right? Because they know, oh, there is a candle, go back in the range. The next 15 minutes candle gonna push down heavy. No, bro. Right? That's why I don't want to take sales after back in the range because still there's no re-break of the high there on the neck previous candle. And it's still the 30 minutes candle still open up. Still open, right? This one. This candle. So yeah, the 1 hour is still open too. So it's really risky. The 4 hour is about to close. Gold sells a prank. Yeah, true that. Yeah, that's why we need to wait for candle to close. Waiting for candle to close is a must. Right? It's a must. Chat, make sure you like the stream. Can I see 30 likes in the stream here, chat? 30 likes. And yeah, we are near 1K subs. Can we do it this month, chat? 1K subs. Can you help me to do that? 1K subs this month. 1K subs. Damn, 15. Yeah, we might see all-time high again. Where's the next all-time high here after 55? Yeah, the next one is the 55. So 55. This one. So this one is the next all-time high, 3955. Because once you already break the high here on the left, 3950. Yeah, we're gonna push $5 increment again. 30 is about to close above. Smokes. Holy smokes. No trade in London session. No trade in London session. Yeah. So don't take any trades this session, man. It's really risky. Stay away. Stay away on gold today. Come back on NY session because, man, it's really, as you can see, tough price actions. You cannot take sales on this kind of, candle. Huge exhaustion wick here. No candle closure back in the range on the 30. So if you wanna, yeah, nothing. Nothing. Nothing for me today. Damn, nothing. Chat. So, yeah, man, nothing today, I'd say. Nothing for us today, gang. Yeah, I probably gonna come back on the NY session. Let's see. But if NY is still pushing up here, this is the decision candle today. This 4 hour here. Because the next 4 hour, right? That was NY session. If this 4 hour candle is still pushing up, I might call it a day. Right? This candle pushing up, I might call it a day. Because the next 4 hours the NY session. And yeah, I'm gonna sure that next hour we're gonna push up. So yeah, chat. No Benos today. Thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Okay, if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss and don't over trade, don't over risk. Thank you guys for hopping to the live stream. Love and wisdom to you all, chat, and see you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm out here.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist when I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe and I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey, hey, hey. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Did you realize that you are a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit.